Hello, so you want to know how to start pig farming with little capital? You are in the right place. Let's say that you have a dream to start a pig farm, but you have only about 50,000 naira or less, and you are thinking that you want to start a pig farm and be profitable. You go around farms and then you realize that a pregnant gilt costs about 350,000 to about 650,000 naira, and you're wondering, am I going to be able to start a pig farm? Then you say, well, let me get a Weaner. Then from the good farms you go to, you notice that the cheapest Weaner of a good breed you're going to get is about 130,000 naira. With your 250,000 naira, you can just buy the Weaner and then start off. When you do that, you will notice very quickly that you run out of money, because after buying the Weaner for 130,000, what is left will not be enough to feed the animal till it grows and then take care of the veterinary costs and other farm management costs. So what do you do? In this video, I'm going to show you a smart, practical way to start a pig farm, even if you have just a little capital. If you are interested in this, let's delve into it. So the smart strategy I'm introducing you to is called the No Guesswork Smart Approach. Why is the No Guess Smart Approach strategy effective, or why does it work? You take away all the guesswork. You get practical experience before you even start your pig farm. Number two, you avoid the pitfalls that a lot of newbie farmers find themselves in. Number three, because you're starting on a budget, you don't lock up your capital. This approach helps you to set up smartly and become profitable in the shortest possible time if you are starting with low capital. Keep your 250,000 naira. I'll show you how to use it, but right now you are not touching that. So keep your 250,000 naira, save it in a safe place, and then apply to work on a well-managed pig farm. Then you negotiate for part of your salary to be paid to you in the form of gilts or pregnant pigs. And then finally you are ready from day one. No pressure for money or cutting of corners. You'll be starting on the right foot. When you follow this approach, you're going to learn proper farm management. You are building skills that will help you get profitable with your farm. Then by the time you have your pregnant pigs on your farm and then you kick off, in a short while they would have farrowed or given birth, so that you would have about 24 piglets to go with. How do you use your 250,000? The first thing that you would do is that you would rent a place. You rent a pen with about 60,000 naira. Then you would invest 120,000 naira in the feed to take care of these animals. If you've not watched my other video on the amount of feed a pig takes until it's 100 kg and the cost associated with it, you can watch this video. That should give you a guide to tell you that you've actually prepared very well. Next, you would save between 30 and 40,000 naira for veterinary care and other farm costs, and you still have some balance that you can use to meet unforeseen contingencies, like we call it. With this, you see that immediately your animals come to the farm, you have enough feed to take care of them until they later breastfeed their piglets, and then you wean them. At that point, you can already start making sales and getting cash flow into your business. Now, if each of the piglets is going for 130,000 like we have, just selling 12 of those, then you are already in about 1.6 million naira, and that's a good way to start. So now This is a very profitable way to start your pig farm on a budget. Let's see the big picture. At the point of starting, you bring in your pregnant gilts. If you brought these animals in when they were about 2 months plus pregnant, it means that they will stay in your farm for another month or two, and then they would litter. If you followed my earlier video on the feed costs, or what it costs to feed an animal from birth until it's about 6 months old, you'll see that the plan we have laid out is able to help you take care of the animals without pressure to get feed. If you've not watched that video, you can watch it here, or is it here? At the end of the farrowing cycle, you're going to have 2 plus 24, that's 26 pigs, 2 mothers, and then 24 piglets. If you want to know how to get up to 200 piglets in the next 18 months from here, you can also watch this other video where I show you my pig multiplication formula for your farm to get grounded very quickly. So following this would turn you into profit very fast. So if you are serious about starting a pig farm and you have only little capital, or you are on a tight budget, then follow this no guesswork smart approach, and then you will be very happy you did. Don't just give up because money is standing in your way. If you found value for this video, I would like you to like this video. I'd like you to share, help this channel by subscribing, and also I would want to invite you to join the operation to feed our nation, or to support those who are doing their best to contribute to feeding the nation. Thank you very much. Cheers. Don't go.